Hi teachers, I'm really excited. Empowering Writers is coming to your co-op. And if you've been looking for a writing lesson, something that's going to transform how you teach writing, you need to come to our workshop, and I'll tell you why. Most of us as teachers never learn how to teach writing. Do you know that in my getting ready to become a teacher, in my certification, and even at the master's level, I never had to take one course on teaching writing. So it was absolutely no surprise that my first year in the classroom, I had no idea what to do. And as I scrambled to find tools, I realized there weren't any really good tools out there for what I absolutely needed. So here's what I want to invite you to. I want you to come to one of our writing workshops. I promise you, it is going to transform your writing instruction. And here's where it starts. It starts with you. It starts building confidence in you as a teacher, giving you the tools you need to make a difference in student writing. And I'm going to go a step further. I was so unprepared to teach writing that the best of my ability was to say, this piece is good, this piece is not so good. And I had none of the tools that can make a difference. So I really invite you to come and join us. I'm going to give you all the tools. I'm going to empower you, and I'm going to show you how you can make a difference in your classroom and transform your writing instruction in ways that you never imagined. Hope to see you at the workshop. Oh, teachers, wait, I forgot to tell you the most important part. The most important part is that you don't have to learn this for 5 years before it actually works. I'm going to give you Teach It tools. So when you leave this workshop, you're going to be able to implement it tomorrow. And better yet, you're going to see a difference just as quickly. Trust me.